The flowchart. A flowchart is a visual tool that visually illustrates a programming task, allowing for easier understanding of a algorithm step and progress through a sequence of operation. Type of flowchart. Number 1. Standard symbols. ISO or International Standard Organization and ANSI, American National Standard Institute, set standard for system and program flowchart, but many organizations and individuals still deviate from these standards. Number 2. System flowchart. A system flowchart is a graphical representation of a system processing used by system analysts to document their ideas on paper. Flowchart. A flowchart is a visual representation of solving logic, detailing the step and sequence used to generate meaningful results. Flowchart symbol. On-page connector. On-page connector symbol or pairs or one or on-page connector are used to replace long lines on a flowchart page. Process. An arithmetic operation is represented by a process symbol, or when casing the assignment or individual's variables. This rectangular form is the most commonly used flowchart symbol. Delay. The delay flowchart symbol depicts any waiting period that is part of process. Delay shapes are common in process mapping. As name as states, any process step that preparation process flowchart flow step such as setup operation, manual operation, flow, flowchart shape show which process step are not automated. Flow line. To illustrate the process directionally flow. A flow line is utilized in the flow diagram. It makes it easier for the reader to follow the step and flowchart by merely seeing the flow line orientation heading. The application of a arrowhead and flow line is not addressed in practice independently. Document. Different step, decision, point, and course through a process are displayed using flowchart, which are visual representation of process and system. They are used to understand, analyze, and optimize process in a range of industries, including software development, engineering, business, and education. Terminal. This terminal sign is employed to show both the beginning and the conclusion of flowchart. All program flowcharts are presented in simple terms. Cut to begin, la conclude with terminal symbol. For the sake of our conversation, we will use the following mnemonic level or oval shape figured. Input and output. In addition, in indicating input and output activities. These shapes also describe the connection between the device for input and output. The input and output, therefore, symbol depict the data flow and the device on which it is stored. Diamond. Diamond or signal of decision. A diamond or rhombus sequences a decision point, which is often referred to as the decision of a flowchart. Flowchart sign. Diamonds are typically found in situations which there are conditional declaration like a yes or no or true or illegal inquiry. Example, so mao ni ang process sa flowchart. Example of symbol flowchart. The symbols that are displayed in marked will test and specify which will be seen overall time spent creating our flowchart action. So mao ni ang mga symbol pag gamit sa flowchart. Logical representation like the list larger than equal to or 5 times greater equal or 2. These operations carry out compound assessment and provide automated lift by regarding the regulation that there ought to be just conditional test. For every choose, sign utilize in the flow diagram. So mo ang mga symbol of diagram. The flow. So, base sa akong nasabtan, ang flowchart magamit kini kung nakay panghimuon about daghang kayo pareha ng magkuang kag kumpanya, business or mag-code, magamit ka og flowchart. Kaya ang flowchart mag-una kini sa imong introduction. Pagsunod mo process kini. Process tapos pag-process moagi pa na siya sa mga sa pag-check sa standard ug daghan pagkuan ipaagi po na siya sa uban sa pag-input. Dili na siya basta-basta lang na ibuhat. Kung maghimo kag kumpanya or maghimo kag encode, maligya ka, magamit ka nini. Kaya kung dili ka magamit og flowchart, pag negosyo nimo, ang imong proseso sa imong pagnegosyo, maglibog ka o magkagubot kay wala ka gisunod na plano. Ang flowchart mura kini og plano. Kay ang tagalihok sa imong negosyo ginabuhat diri, gina-encode diri aron aron ang imong negosyo gwapo ang proseso. Pag magsugod na ka ang negosyo, dili na lang nimo basihan pagpadagan sa imong mga negosyo, mga kumpanya, businesses. So mao na ang benefit sa flowchart, and for me mao na akong nasabtan gud sa flowchart. So daghan pa ang kuan dapat ani sa flowchart. For me mao lang ni akong maingon, and so mao ra to akong nasabtan about the topic of the flowchart and the same time flowchart programming. And that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. And my name is Andy Marcasco sa SUCC. And goodbye. So by the way, subscribe na mo kay mo ni akong project sa mong eskwelahan. Please. Bye. Love you.